What if one simple drink could help with weight loss, blood sugar, brain fog, and even bad breath? Sounds wild, but cinnamon tea does all that and more. Today we're talking about one of the most underrated drinks that's been used for centuries: cinnamon tea. And not just for flavor. Cinnamon tea packs serious health benefits backed by research, especially when you drink it consistently. Let's dive into 10 surprising benefits of drinking cinnamon tea daily, and you'll want to make this a habit by the end. Cinnamon tea naturally heats up your body and activates the fat-burning process, a mechanism known as thermogenesis. This helps boost metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories even at rest. It also helps balance blood sugar levels, reducing sugar cravings that often sabotage fat loss. Altogether, it makes cinnamon tea a great natural aid for those trying to lose belly fat. Cinnamon helps insulin do its job better, making it a must-have for anyone fighting insulin resistance, prediabetes, or type 2 diabetes. Here's how it works. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, meaning your cells respond better to insulin, allowing glucose to enter cells more efficiently. It slows the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive tract by inhibiting certain digestive enzymes. This results in a slower rise in blood sugar after meals, preventing dangerous spikes. Cinnamon tea can help boost memory, sharpen focus, and protect your brain as you age. It contains natural compounds like cinnamaldehyde, which help prevent the buildup of tau proteins, a key factor in Alzheimer's disease. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties also protect brain cells from damage and improve blood flow to the brain, leading to better concentration and mental clarity. A simple cup a day can keep your mind sharp and alert. Struggling with bloating, gas, or an upset stomach? Cinnamon tea is a natural digestive soother. It stimulates digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. This means less bloating, smoother digestion, and relief from nausea or stomach cramps. What makes it even more powerful? Its antimicrobial properties. Cinnamon helps fight off harmful gut bacteria like E. coli and Candida while leaving the beneficial gut flora untouched. A healthier gut means better nutrient absorption, stronger immunity, and even improved mood. Just one warm cup can do wonders for your digestive comfort and gut balance. Cinnamon is loaded with powerful antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids that neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that damage your cells over time. By fighting this oxidative stress, cinnamon helps protect your skin from wrinkles, your brain from decline, and your organs from premature aging. It supports your body's natural defenses, making you feel and look more youthful from the inside out. One cup a day could help you age slower and stay sharper. Your heart loves cinnamon tea, and here's why. Cinnamon helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, two major risk factors for clogged arteries and heart disease. At the same time, it helps preserve or even raise HDL, good cholesterol, which acts like a natural cleaner for your arteries. But that's not all. Cinnamon also supports healthy blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. This reduces strain on your heart and helps prevent heart attacks and stroke. With just one soothing cup a day, you get triple heart protection, better cholesterol balance, lower blood pressure, and improved blood flow. A simple habit with powerful cardiovascular benefits. Struggling to fall asleep or battling late-night cravings? Cinnamon tea could be your secret weapon. It has soothing properties that help calm your nerves, relax your body, and prepare your mind for restful sleep. But there's more. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar levels, which means fewer spikes and crashes that trigger late-night sugar cravings. Sip it after dinner to soothe your body, curb cravings, and enjoy a deeper, more restful sleep. Cinnamon tea isn't just tasty, it's a powerful health booster. A warm cup of cinnamon tea each day may help you stay sharp, focused, and mentally agile, even as you age. It's a delicious and natural way to nourish your brain and protect your mind. So why wait? Replace your sugary drinks with a cup of cinnamon tea daily and unlock all these incredible health benefits naturally, affordably, and deliciously. Which benefit makes you want to start sipping today? Let me know below, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful natural health tips.